On the Andersen family farm, where the sun sets low. Got my G's in the tractor, watching the wheat grow. Smoke so fat, make a preacher wanna sing. Got a dozen fine heifers just waiting to begin. Bitches on the porch, sipping on some moonshine clear. Ready for the night, no worries, no fear. Slide into the barn, smell of hay and fresh manure. Tonight we making memories, that's for sure. Ain't no party like a farm party, G, understand. Drinking beer, milking bitches, got the whole damn land. From the tractor to the barn, we gon' go all night. Andersen's family farm where the freaks unite. Fucking bitches feeling right under the pale moonlight. Yes, Andersen's family farm, everything's tight. Strolling through the fields, sun on my face, feeling the breeze. Got a couple farm girls bending over with ease. They talking about their milk, I'm talking about their cream. This ain't no nursery rhyme, this ain't no childish dream. Got the stereo blasting NWA on repeat. Got the lesbian orgy in the barn, oh so sweet. Cow pastor watching from the fence, thinking damn that's wild. Every single woman here driven, completely big out. Ain't no party like a farm party, G, understand. Drinking beer, milking bitches, got the whole damn land. From the tractor to the barn, we gon' go all night. Andersen's family farm where the freaks unite. Fucking bitches feeling right under the pale moonlight. Yes, Andersen's family farm, everything's tight. From dusk till dawn, we keep the party on the go. No time for sleeping, just letting the good times flow. Another cake tap, another bitch on her knees. Andersen's family farm, doing exactly as we please. The sun coming up, but we ain't done yet, not by a mile. Just another hazy morning with a laid back smile.